Please, it's okay.
Oh, you can't get
Please.
Oh, to plan
I know.
Nketiana! Anya Kapanuma!
Mama,
Anya Kapanuma!
Mama, what happened?
Nkechi. Mama, what happened now?
Nkechi is dead.
What happened to Sister Nkechi?
Nkechi is dead.
It's okay. Nkechi is dead.
I am finished.
How?
I am finished. Hey! I am gone. I am gone.
Mama, what happened to Nkechi?
Nkechi is gone. How? My only eye is gone. Mama, no. My only eye is finished. Sister Nkechi, no, Mama. Mama, no. Mama, how do we do it? What do you want me to do? How can I survive this? My sister, no. How can I survive this? Mama, how can I survive this? Can I really survive this? No, Sister Nkechi, no. No. Somebody wake me up. My sister cannot, I don't know. No! Sister Nkechi, no! God forbid. What kind of dream is this? How can my daughter be dead? My daughter can't be dead. This is not happening. I will have to call Obi. Where's my phone? Did I keep my phone?
Please, love. The dream you just told me now is a terrible dream. Very terrible.
My sister Obi, the worst of it all is that Nkechi is no longer picking my calls. And I am very worried.
My dear, is there no one in the city that you can ask for her whereabouts?
Nah. The only person I could have called is Austin. But I don't know if he still knows her whereabouts. Eh?
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Nothing will happen to her.
I pray.
God will never allow anything to happen to her.
I pray.
Eh? You know what? Call Austin later to hear from him.
Okay. It's okay. I will try and call Austin. Okay, thank you so much. I'm grateful. Each time I call, you come to my rescue.
You are welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Nkechi is also my daughter. Eh? Nothing will ever happen to her, okay?
I pray. Oh.
Please, it's okay. It's okay. Nothing will happen to her. You know, go.
Hello? Hello, my son. How are you? Mom, I have been calling Nkechi since 3 days and I have not been getting her on phone. I know both of you are no longer together, but please, Mom, do you know where she lives now? Do you know her whereabouts? Oh, have you both reconciled? Okay, please tell her to call me back. I need to hear from her. Or rather, let her pick my call whenever I call her, please. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Oh?
This is what has been happening in this house for months now. Okay, she came back to my brother's life because he has made money.
My sister, after all she did to my brother. Oh God. You know, Sia, we shall see. My sister, no need to tell me, Shabina me they live for this house. So that woman no be better person. She no be better person. Every time she go there for this house, they do like say your brother don't marry him.
God forbid. Instead of my brother to get married to that devil, he rather get married to a widow.
Chimo, why we do?
Never.
Why you talk about your brother na chala mado? He needs a chala woman. You cannot carry your brother, they push for where we do there. No. Even if your brother no go marry him, he go marry better woman. Not be that kind of person. Nonsense.
You don't understand. You needed to have seen how this devil, this lady, treated my brother in school. She made him feel like a nobody. After spending all his whole money sending her to school. You don't understand. You don't.
How? But I'm actually angry. Me, I'm angry. Where did you say she went to save? I don't know. She did that for us. She would have been around. Because had it been I met Nkechi in this house, me personally, only me, my sister doesn't need to put hand. Only me. Is she mad to come back to this house? My dear, hey, is she mad? You know, say the law talk say if you keep person, you go prison. Damn the prison. No, never kill her. What a nonsense law. What I go. But please make your blood pressure come down. That woman, she define who she go do make it kill her. For this place, you know they take eye see me. It is say me and your brother they do a relationship. You know not say na mago. It's not even better with you. Every time you go they talk say things say me and your brother they do relationship. My sister, let me help you. Hey, she don't be a better person. How can somebody? How can somebody be behaving like that? You say you love somebody. Oh, Chimo. You say you love somebody, eh? You know the evil reason the person. Every time in Banog. Every time in Banog. Even me, maybe me, don't deal with me for this house. You know, I go do the before now. I don't be the fool.
Give me a break.
You see the drink? Okay. I hold this one. This drink is hey! No, Juan, this is true. Juan, don't stop. You are in this house. What are you doing in this house? Wait. Let me tell you, Nkechi. Calm down. In this house, you will Juan, how would you know? You will not. So after you get after my brother has made money, you came back. Nkechi, let me tell you, my brother will not marry you. Never. Juan, over my dead. I swear to God, you will not get married. No matter what you do. This house. Get to you. After all you did to my sister. Get to you. I swear to God. You charger. You get it. After all my brother did for you. You don't see him. Not be too long like stick. Not me now. Wait to fight for you. I'm a champion of someone. Come on, just let me see you. I am waiting. I will deal with you. Come on, I will deal with you. Over my dead body. Leave me alone. Over my dead body. Wait. I beg. Don't tire. Where you go? Let me go. Let's fight.
Nkechi, what are you doing at Austin's house? Not now. That was then. Austin is not your man now. He was then. Since you know that he is now with another woman, why don't you move on? It's not true. You can't force a man to love you. Now he has found another woman. Leave him and face your life. You told me that you do not love him anymore. So why disturbing him now? Nkechi, please don't curse that young man anyhow. Please, I beg you. Leave that place at once now. You have got fine. Ogami!
Marry me.
Yes!
I wasn't talking to you. Joanne, marry me.
Gabika, laughed at him. Don't laugh at me, please.
Be the mother of my unborn kids.
Oh.
The blood of my blood.
Eh?
Flesh of my flesh.
Oh.
Please.
Do
not say no. Please.
Oh.
Marry me. Yes.
Engagement ring.
My wife. Yeah.
An engagement ring.
Of course, baby. Yes, darling.
You know, I love you. The feeling that is awakening.
Yeah, I could awaken those feelings.
Agami.
Come here. Come, let's go.
They sweet you now, Nkechi. You don't open eyes, your eyes you don't tear. Nkechi. Now who show you this road?
I will strangle that woman to death. I will make her pay for this. Both of them think they can get married peacefully when I'm here.
From Sukumu to city, take life easy, want to live a larger life. From village to Sukumu, you don't want to suffer to city.
Yes, boss. She's with us now. Do as you see it.
If you get anything more, I don't do. I'm very sorry. If you get anything more, I won't. Tell me. I will call my husband and tell him he go bring me and make him free me a bed.
Shut up! Messi, know them my dictionary. If you make noise here, I go bruise your brain. I go.
I be the only child of my mama. I make you not keep me.
Still a talk? I be lion. And I don't want to hear anything for your mouth again. If you talk again, I will kill you. You hear me? You go talk yo! Why are you talking? You can hear your voice again.
Yes, hello, who's this? What? My wife has been kidnapped. How? Where? Hey, listen, please, I beg you, do not hurt her, okay? I'm ready to give you whatever you want. Please! Hello? Oh my God. Hey. I didn't hear you driving.
Sorry, I took my car to the mechanic for servicing before you called. How did it happen?
I don't know. I just got a call from a straight number telling me that my wife has just been kidnapped.
My goodness. Did she have a problem with anyone?
Come on. You know Joanne very well. She's not a troublesome person. I don't know where this is coming from.
Then at this point, I think we have to involve the police so they can investigate on this matter. What do you think?
I think right now, that's my only option. Because the number that just called me is not even reachable anymore. Oh God.
Austin.
Seriously, I don't want anything to happen to her. I don't want anything to happen to that poor girl. I don't want anything to happen to her.
It's okay. Nothing will happen to her. Okay? Alright? Okay, now.
They're not even calling back. Are they not supposed to call me to make demand? Why are they not calling me?
It's okay, Austin. I said everything will be fine. Or why don't we try calling them? Eh?
It's alright.
Oga. Yes. Yes, sir. I think 1 minute.
Go ahead.
Oga, I've been there the hear when you talk say they kidnap madam.
Yes.
Ha. Oga, you sure say no be that your girlfriend, Nkechi? You sure say no be she run am? Because the way I take they see that lady, her eye no clear. Oh. Now make I say, I ask you something they tell me say if it be how.
We don't know who the culprit is right now. Investigations are still ongoing and you have no right to lay accusations. Alright?
And this one no be accusation. No. My spirit know they lie. Anything where my spirit tell me now, so it be me. I don't be street boy before. I know all these people where their eye no clear. She feel be the one now we don't one over show herself now. Come kidnap person.
Open the gate. I'm going to the police station right away. Open the gate.
Now waiting my spirit tell me, I tell you. I be street boy, you me too. I don't do street. I know all these things. I know criminal when I see her.
Make sure she doesn't escape. I will send the documents and please be careful. I don't want the police to be involved in this kidnapping case until I execute my mission. Surprised?
I'm not too surprised. Because I don't see that here. I only ask myself, who you they get problem with for this town where I don't even serve anybody? I don't get anybody where they follow quarrel or they fight anything. If not be only you, I know only you if you do this kind of thing.
Shut your mouth before I waste you. Here, it's a document from my lawyer. You're going to sign this document that you will never have anything to do with my husband again.
Your husband? No, your husband, your husband.
Austin.
Sister. My sister, don't do like this now. Me and you know Celsi never married you. And even tell me say my relationship don't end. Why would they knock again? Hey, why you do like this?
One more word from you, I will forget a bullet in your head. Now, sign this document.
I didn't put them there. Because I don't sabi anything. I don't go to school. As you give me this, I don't sabi anything. I don't know what to do.
Shut your stinking mouth! Here, sign it!
I won't take sign with it. I don't sabi. I don't sabi to write. ABCD, I don't sabi. Eh? Sabi,
you will not dare my patience.
Are you going
to sign it or not?
I don't sabi handle Bible.
What's the problem?
Boss, I hear police are searching everywhere in town because they got information about this kidnap.
That means we'll have to find another location.
Yes, we need a new location now.
Move this speech quickly.
What do you want from me, Nkechi? Why are you doing this?
So you have the guts to monitor my movements? And follow me over to this place? You're asking me silly questions you already have the answers to. Of course I want you to marry me. That is what I want from you.
That's not possible. You and I can never, ever be together. And you know it.
You think you're smart. You engaged her without caring about my feelings. Just so you know, I will never leave you for another woman.
Unfortunately, I am no longer in love with you. Get that into your sick skull.
It's obvious your life is not important to you. I will kill you if you do not sign this document.
I will do no such. Nkechi, you caused it all. You betrayed the trust and love I had for you. I gave you everything. But instead, you threw it to the gutters. I will never leave her for you!
Shut your mouth and sign this document!
I will do no such. Johan. Are you alright?
Okay, please. You know what you can do? You get to book where she hold her hand. It's in a marriage book. I beg, marry them. Marry them, make me the go up there.
Shut your mouth! Now tell me, how do you want this thing?
It's either you give up.
One, two,
That's enough. I give up.
Okay.
Right? I give up. Please, please, okay, please, I beg you.
I am going to talk. Maria, you can go. He said this book when she hold her hand on a marriage book.
Joel, shut up.
Move them. Out. Move.
Okay.
So they buried you in my life. Wait, for 2 days now, 2 days, I never see my organ. For complete 2 days. Ha! Just say these people never kidnap my organ. Oga will know they like sleep aside. No. Ha! No. Anything we do, Oga don't do me. My life depends on this man. I need to report this one to police. So. Can go police go report. So and don't pass. Don't they pass.
Young man, I will assure you that the police are working very hard, and very soon we will track down the kidnappers.
Officer, I beg. Anyhow, when I go do, I make when I just try see my oga. I no one go here say na play. Say kidnappers don't go kill my oga. That man where you see, that be my last hope. So anything will happen to them, then be say my own life don't finish. I beg. Anyhow, when I go try, just try. If they don't catch me, I rescue them. I beg.
Don't worry, eh? We are working towards it.
Yes.
Investigation is ongoing. We will ensure we will find them.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. We'll be on our way now.
Okay. Officer, I beg, as soon as they go, may God protect one.
Amen.
Now, when I go see kidnapper no go see one.
Amen. Amen.
Because they talk and say, before you see one, Officer, days don't they go now, and I never find my oga and his wife. When I sure say these kidnappers never go kill my oga. Because this thing don't they take time since who go. The thing self don't they tire me.
I believe he is alive. Don't worry. We'll find him. We are doing everything possible to track the kidnappers.
officer. The tracking they had, though, please make us just advise on a small. If this tracking they take time, make una go involve the army. If situation hard like this, people they rush, go some self they involve civil defense, so man o war, even local vigilante, make all of una join hands together. Then they call them join task force, join. Una go join hands together, join task force, so that una go arrest them. This thing is taking time. May una know what una go do a beg, so that my organ go die for nothing. Beg.
You see, we the police officers are doing our investigation. And I can reassure you that very soon we'll bring the culprit to book. Yes, don't worry. We'll find them very soon, okay? Yes, we will.
Just me and put some energy.
Just relax your mind,
yes?
Now they're too responsible to catch the.
Don't worry, we'll find them, eh? Yes.
Hands up. Hands up. Drop whatever you are holding. I said drop what you are holding.
It's just a
Please, don't. Drop it! Back. Officers! Move! Take her away. Move! Move, my friend! You should calm down. It's over. Relax.
Thank you very much, officer. Thank you. Please.
Oga.
Sorry. Thank you.
The person don't die.
Yes.
He shoot him.
Too bad, yes. He was shot. Listen, let's look for a way to get out of here. Okay? Yes.
This is the second time I am hitting my leg on something. I hope all is well. And I am going to the market to buy something. I hope my daughter is fine. I hope my daughter Etiko is fine, wherever she is. Who is calling me? Hello?
Hello, Mama. It's me, Nkechi.
Hey! Hey, Kingwam. How are you?
I have done something very terrible.
Ha! Why are you standing this way?
Mama, I'm in the police custody at the force headquarters.
Mom, police! Get him here. Eh?
And I'm not sure I'm coming out of this alive.
Ah! 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 Ah!
I'm really happy. Kizito. You see, we would like to appreciate you for your efforts towards rescuing us when we were kidnapped.
That will not be anything.
No, we truly appreciate. For real. Huh?
Okay, see, make I tell you. You see you as you did, eh? You be better person. In fact, I never see your kind of person before. You see this house, since we will come, na kata kata, all the struggle, everything we will they do, fight. You never ever one day show me sack letter. Which kind of nice person be that? You get that thing, make even as you see her here. What the problem with me and I get? Nothing will make me for this life. See where waiting one hammer. I go come day flee. Now make us just here say kidnapper, carry on. I begin call police up and down. Make sure say they find one.
That's a good spirit.
Thank you, sir.
That's a good one.
The appreciation where we want to knock you, so if you go,
thank you. For knock you appreciate.
Well, Kizito, I want to start with increasing your salary to 100,000 naira monthly.
Okay, talk that thing again. You say
I am going to increase your salary to 100,000 naira.
Hey! Chineke, okay? Which kind niceness be this one now? Have you the joke? Which kind? I don't like this kind of joke, okay? Which kind? What did I do when I want that kind of money? You see why I talk say na man you be? You see why they always tell you say na man you be? Now God will bless you for me.
Amen.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen. And bless you too.
You never see anything, you know. This one where my honey hot just talk. He good though, but he get one where I won't talk. What I you know, say you been tell me say if to say money day you forgo school. So I say make I ask you, your brain fit still collect book? If you still collect book, now make I tell my honey make we plan and make you go back school. But if you don't feel collect book, talk am make I tell my honey how they send you go abroad.
You say what?
Abroad.
Ha! Chineke. Make I ask you, a book and who book help? Who for situation of this country now? Who book will help?
Me.
Ha!
Me.
Now, I beg, no compare those two things at all. Now that abroad.
I no go compare them. Now go two things wey good, school and abroad.
Now there I dey. I beg, now there I dey.
Then on that note, I think I should start processing your documents immediately. Of course, I know you do not have a passport, so I'll just call up my immigration friends to start up something for you.
This thing don't be serious, so. Hey, Oga, I beg, now God will bless you.
Hey, don't do that, please. All right, stand up. Don't do that. I'm not God.
So now to know the country where you want go.
Country, only two countries we know now, America and the other one.
Which one is America and the other one? Don't talk that thing, no. You know what make you money? If you go America, hunger will catch you. In fact, you go they say make we send you money for you.
Are you serious?
If we even send you money, our money no strong. If you reach it, hunger go deal with you. If you want to do travel, you go to think of that place where that guy will go, where travel make better money. Obaino, Malaysia. Now there you go, come back money, come back.
You won't carry me go Malay? Now there I go, Malaysia makes sense. You go there, you go pack money, come back. If you even reach there, meet or buy. That's true.
They go link you up.
So that I feel just go there and before you know it, I go change my name to Kizina Malay. Kizito Wa Malay.
You know.
Kizina Malay.
You
don't have a problem, then Malaysia it is.
What did happen? Thank you.
No, come on, please stand up.
My God will bless you.
Stand up.
Let me remember. I don't want just to knock you 100,000. I don't want to make it tell you that.
You wanna beg it, take it easy, no go. woman, when not they play with his job at all. And that's the happiness in her consign. She's very good woman, oh well, if he come for peace, yo, oh yeah, peace, yo. If he